Smells so good. So this is our melon cake. This is our melon cake. Made it today. So these are the ingredients we need to make our IHO. So this is the melon I am talking about. Is ground melon. Okay, look at it. So it's ground. Okay, they've grinded this one. That is our main dish today, melon seed dish. Look at the seed before they grinded it. Okay, this is what we are making today. We are going to make a cake with it, a local Nigerian Igbo cake with melon. Okay, it's called the IHO. Okay, we need a little ingredient for it. I have one of the major ingredients here. Most people, they call it scent leaf, Nchuanwu. Okay, Nchuanwu is an Igbo language. They call it scent leaf in English. This is the major herbs we are going to use. Nchuanwu. This is a frozen one. If you have the fresh one, you don't need to cut it because it's like you are going to use it to wrap the molded melon, EGUSI. This is the only herb you use for IHO. Okay, so I have a chili here, the roasted chili. If you know me, if you watch my video, I use roasted chili for most of my recipes. Okay, local recipes, I use roasted chili like Abacha. So in this recipe too, I'm going to be using it. You can use fresh pepper if you want. You can use the pepper flakes, not roasted, but don't roast this. I have salt, no bouillon, no curry powder. Then we have our water. We have to add water to it to be able to mold it. So for wrapping, back home what they use is dried, preserved cocoyam leaf. Okay, they dry it and they preserve it. They keep it for something like this. So they use dried cocoyam leaf. But since I don't have that dried cocoyam leaf, I am going to be using foil. Yes, I'm going to use foil, and you can use this bag as well to wrap it up. So the thing you do is to make sure that you don't have lumps. Okay. Make sure that you don't have lumps. You can crush all of them. Make sure you don't have lumps before adding water. So what I'm going to do right now is to add the ingredients. When you're making IHO is always spicy. Yes. If you don't like a hot stuff, then you can put it mild. So I'm going to add the chili. Yep. Okay. Then I'm adding the salt. You add your salt. You add the salt and you taste. Okay, you don't over salt it. So now I'm adding water. Don't add too much water. We want it like a ball. Okay, don't add too much water. You mix it and then you add. Okay. When you're mixing your dough. When cooking, it takes a lot of time to cook. they cook it overnight with firewood. Overnight with firewood. They start in the evening time to prepare it. Before they go to bed, they put it on fire with firewood. So it takes hours to cook. Then after it's properly cooked, then they will put it over the charcoal so that the excess water will drip. Okay, will drip out excess water and become so firm. Okay, so we are going to achieve that by putting it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay. So we have the right consistency. Okay, we have the right consistency. So now I'm going to taste it. Yes, you can taste it. You can taste it and spit it out. And they use spoon or ladle to scoop some. Like this. This quantity is enough. Then they wrap it. They put more scent leaf on top of it like this. You put it like this. Spread it all over. And then they wrap it and tie it up. So I'm going to wrap it like this to make sure that water doesn't enter. Okay. So we wrap it like this. Okay. Okay, like this. This is what I did. Okay, so it will be in the shape of a IHO. Okay, they wrap it. Okay, this one is so dry. That's good. Put a little. I'm running out of it. Then we wrap it. And even put those dried ones. Look at it. Yes. So you can have enough. You don't want it to enter inside, okay? You wrap it. Not too much. A little. Adding it to let it cook for 3 hours. To cover the pot. The oven. It's 10 minutes and it's already out. Let's open one and see what we did today. This is hot. Smells so good. So this is our melon cake. Okay, this is our melon cake. Okay, we made it today. This is the leaf, the scent leaf. As you can see, it's properly cooked for 3 hours. Okay, I told you they cook it overnight, so but I cooked it continually for 3 hours. Okay, because it's gas. Okay, so I'm cutting it. Yeah. I'm cutting it again. So look at what we made today. So this is IHO. This is melon cake. Okay, that I made today. Okay. We've come to the end of this video. I want you to share it, okay? Comment, like it, make it popular. Okay, this is a rare video, a rare native dish. Okay, I'll be seeing you in my next video. May God bless and keep you all. Bye.